Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the scaffold widget in Flutter. Scaffold widget is a basic layout structure widget in Flutter, and it's the most important for designing and building your user interface, and it's the most fundamental widget that is used as a base for most of the other widgets in Flutter. And here we will look into several properties of the scaffold widget that we can use to customize the look and the feel of your application. The first one is app bar. It is used to define our app bar. So after defining this, we have app bar with the blue color, and the other property is the background color. So if we can define our scaffold background color by using the colors property. So if I turn it to blue, then it will have a blue background as well. The other property is the body. The body is the area after the app bar, so that is the whole body of the scaffold. Here we can just define text widget or anything, and it will show here. So as you can see, hello world, and we can also use center widget to center it, so it will show in the middle of it. And other properties of the scaffold is bottom navigation bar. Bottom navigation bar is the area at the bottom of the app bar of the scaffold where we can define tabs, or we can create our custom bottom navigation. The other property, the most important, is the floating action button. So if I go into floating action button and I define it here, we will have a floating action button, and we can just change the colors to white. So we have a floating action button here, and which has a child property, and in which we can use add and with a color of black, and this we have a floating action button. And the last other property is the drawer. So if we go into the drawer and I use the drawer widget here, you can see we also have defined a drawer in our application. So in this summary, scaffold widget is an essential tool for building apps in Flutter. It provides a basic layout structure which you can customize with various properties to create a beautiful and functional user interface. Thank you for watching.